Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be making a sweet potato pie. This is my one traditional meal for this Thanksgiving. So every year I try to make something to keep the tradition alive. I do live in the UK but I grew up in the States. So first we're going to bake our sweet potatoes. I've washed them and dried them. I'm just going to wrap them in foil. I've got my oven preheated at gas mark 4, so we're going to bake these for about 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Got our sweet potatoes here. I will see you back in about an hour and a half. So I'm going to bake these until they're really soft and let them sit and cool for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get started on the crust. I'll be using a cookie base crust and we'll get started on the filling. So I will see you back in the next clip. Hi guys, welcome back. Our potatoes have baked for an hour and 15 minutes. First we're gonna do the biscuit crust, but I'm just gonna take you through all the ingredients that I'll be using today. So in total I'll be using 1 cup of brown sugar. I'll be using some for the crust, some for the filling, and then some to sprinkle on top. I've got half a cup of unsalted butter. I'm going to melt it. This is 110 grams. I'll be using some vanilla, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg. I've got 3 tablespoons of flour, my 2 baked sweet potatoes, and some digestive biscuits. Normally I use graham crackers, but graham crackers aren't popular in the UK. We are using an alternative. So let's get started on our crust. We're going to make our crust. I'm gonna grind the biscuits in a food processor. So we're gonna use 15 digestive biscuits. I'm just breaking them and then putting them in. That's 15. These are our cookie crumbs. If you don't have a food processor, you can put these in a Ziploc bag and pound them with a rolling pin until they're crushed, and you'll have your biscuit crumbs. I'm adding 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And that's our melted butter. So I do have my oven preheated to a gas mark 4 or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake this for 10 minutes and then we'll get started on the filling. I've got a pie pan here. Just going to add our ghee and butter mixture. I've got a measuring cup here, so I'm just using it to flatten this. Just make sure there are no cracks in your crust. Just trying to make sure it's fitted on the edges as well. Take your time to do this. Don't rush it off. That is looking good. That's our pie shell. So I'm just going to put this in now. We'll bake this for 10 minutes. And then we'll get started on the filling. So I've got everything here. I'll list all the measurements in the description box below. We've got some double cream, or you could use heavy cream, milk, single cream, whatever you wish. Or if you want to use a dairy-free version, you can. Got my cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, salt, sugar, flour, 2 large eggs, and then I got my potatoes there. First we're going to start off by beating the eggs separate. I normally take this white bit off, and so I'm just trying to let us put our potato. Just gonna peel it. They are really soft, so the skin is easy to come off. use a fork to mash the potato. Okay, so we're going to put in our 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let's mix the sugar in. Going to put in our eggs. Going to use 1/2 cup of double cream. We're going to add 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We've got 3 tablespoons of flour. Just going to fill our pie crust up. We're just going to smooth. Okay, so we got our remaining sugar. We're just sprinkling it on top. Gonna put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. We're gonna bake this on the middle rack, and once this is done baking, we'll be back and we'll see what it looks like, so stay tuned. Our pie is finished. I did bake it for about 45 minutes on 350 degrees or gas mark 4. So we're just gonna let it sit and cool, and once it's cool, we'll serve some up. Guys, our sweet potato pie has cooled. We're just gonna cut some now. Okay, let's do a close-up. Guys, to serve, we're just going to put some vanilla ice cream. You can also serve this with cream as well, either double cream or single cream or whipped cream, whatever you wish. And there you have it, my take on sweet potato pie. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.